Hello, assalamu alaikum, peace and blessings. It's me, Sabina, with my January 2024 newsletter video blog summary. Happy New Year to all my fair trade friends and family around the world. My right shoulder has been very inflamed and painful this month, and I've struggled to record this vlog and type my blog. Despite my pain, I managed to attend a webinar and record videos about the Power Shift Inclusive Excellence Committee for World Pulse. These videos were about community members expressing an interest to join. This month I also joined a couple of sessions about mental health and suicide training, and these sessions were organised by THRIVE London. I've tried to translate this blog in Urdu, so please forgive me for all my errors, and I look forward to recording another video for you next month. Take care, bye for now, wa alaikum assalam, peace and blessings.